Hello friends, welcome to Green Wallet and Citizen Justice Forum. Today we'll do the technical analysis of Bandhan Bank. आपका भला सबकी भलाई. Before we start the technical analysis, let's go through the disclaimer first. Investment trading in securities market is subject to market risk. Past performance is not a guarantee of future performance. The risk of loss in trading and investment in securities markets, including equities, derivatives, commodity, and currency, can be substantial if you don't follow the stop loss strategy. Before we go and study the chart of Bandhan Bank, let's look at some fundamentals of the Bandhan Bank. Where you see this wheel, right, the blue color, which shows that promoters are holding 39.99%. Initially, when the bank started, the promoters were holding 60%, but now substantially and gradually they have reduced their stake, the promoters, but still 40% is a very good holding by the promoters. So we cannot say that, the promoters are not interested or they are fly-by-night operators. 23.19% is held by the public. 1.9%, a very small amount, is held by Domestic Institute Investment of India. And the major part, 34.91%, is held by the Foreign Institute Investment. Now we'll come to the other bar chart. The public holding has increased to 23.19%. So in a way it is good that there will be a liquidity. But what I have seen is from March 2020, the domestic institute have reduced their stake from 8.5% to 1.9% in 2021. So in 1 year, the domestic institute have reduced their stake in the Bandhan Bank. But there is a silver lining. The domestic institute have reduced their stake, but the FIIs, the foreign investing institutes, have increased their stake from 13% to 34.91%. So foreign institutes have more faith in our Bandhan Bank. In a way it is produced. We can project it that way, that foreign institute are having a very good interest in Bandhan Bank. That's why they have increased their stake more than the double, from 13% to today it is 34.91%. Now let's go to the technical chart. This is the technical chart. Why I have bought today also Bandhan Bank at this level? That is something very interesting which I am going to show you as a part of analysis. One is that every time you see this blue line, this is a moving period average. I normally keep 21 day. So whenever the prices are above this, the prices keep on going up. The moment it crosses down, the prices are always going down, right? So technically speaking, Bandhan Bank is in a downtrend. But how long can the stock go into the downtrend, right? Somewhere there is a turning point. So we have to identify where is the turning point. So today I'm going to make you understand that how to read chart and how you can identify the turning point. Now I'll let you know, when these prices were going up, it went in straight. These are the 31 candles. Within 31 days, each reached somewhere around 430 rupees, right? From 300 or 285 odd level within 31 days, or you can say if 31 days and if I count 4 days a week, so within 6 weeks or 1.5 months, it gave a tremendous jump. Now, when there is a bad result, right, if the bank is not performing or if the company is not performing well, who will first come to know? The inside people, right? the general managers, the chartered accountants, the auditors who are inside and in touch with the management, they will come to know and they start selling. So now we know that the institute selling was at around 430 rupees and it started it falling down, then it gave a bounce back, then it again started going sideways, and now it has come to the bottom. Where the bottom is, I will draw a one rectangle to make you understand what it is. So have some patience, because this is the not the normal chart which I use. I use some other platform and I have applied for that officially I can use that platform in a public forum, right? So this is what is the turning point. Now pay attention here. I had explained you in my previous video the concept of leg in, then there is a base and there is a leg out. Now where is the leg in here? The, the leg in is here. Can you see? This was the leg in. It came into that zone. Then this was a basing and the price went in 31 days to up to 430 rupees in 31 days time. So this was a leg out and the prices started falling down and it went up again, then it fall down again. So all the candles were below 21-day period moving average. Then it get a bounce here. Then the market was sideways. This was a sideways movement. This was again a sideways movement. This was sideways. Prices were ranging in the same, coming down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up, and then it gave a very big fall. Oh, and now it has come down again to this level. So now what we can see is, I can take this creep, right, enter at this level, and I can have a stop loss below the band which I have drawn. So my stop loss will be somewhere here. Can you see this? The stop loss is around 268 rupees. So if I am planning to buy 100 shares, right, what I will do is I will buy 50% of the quantity at this level. So 50 shares. And 50, if the prices does not bounce back from here, I will buy in this range so that I will have an average, because the price are certainly not going to go down from this level and it is going to give a bounce back, right? So for a long term investment, if you can wait for 4 to 6 months, you can see this level. At least you will be able to see 377 and then gradually then it will come down little and then gradually it will go up to 430 level. But for that you should have patience. Now in this technical analysis you will come to know that this was a very big impulse move, price is crashing down, and then there was a corrective move. Then again this was a corrective move, then it was a corrective move. So the length of the impulse and corrective move is the same. That means the market was going in a sideways. I'll explain you by drawing one more rectangle so you will come to know. the prices were moving in a particular range, right? It were going up, going down, going up. Now then it gave a breakout, it fall down from here. Now there is a very good chance that the share price of Bandhan Bank will bounce back from here, right? And this is what we have to identify a turning point. Now, what normally people do is when the price is here, right, and when there is a very big euphoria, right, it is covering in all the media that Bandhan Bank has reached 430 rupees, and then you read in the newspaper, and then you get all sort of messages, and then you are tempted or prompt to buy that particular script at that level because you don't know the technical analysis. Fundamentally, the company is good, but entering at a right level, entry at the turning point of the stock price or the market from where it is going to begin is rally. Now here we have this level from where the market has or this creep has gone up to from 285 to 430 rupees, right? A 40% rise. So instead of buying the stock price here, I should buy a stock price here with a stop loss at 268 rupees. If it falls further, I can accumulate further. But if it starts going up, let it go up. Don't see. I remember one line of Sachin Tendulkar that he says that chase your dream. But in the stock market, I will say don't chase the price. If the price has gone up, let it go up. Don't chase the price. See, the price from here had gone up. Now, if I chase the price, I will end up making loss if I'll buy somewhere here. So I will wait for it to come to the right level so that I can buy and then I can see the stock moving up. So friends, I thank you all for watching this video. This is my WhatsApp number. This is my Telegram number. And the email ID is there. Facebook page link is there. And YouTube link is there. Empowering Citizen. Citizen Justice Forum was started to empower people for legal literacy awareness. But I thought now people, they come to me and they say that I have lost so much money in the stock market. They enter at the wrong time and they burn their fingers. So this is my, one way to bring awareness among the people that when you are entering into a particular script or into the market, see that you enter at a right level and you exit at a right level. So the technical analysis will make you understand that the price rise is from this particular level, it goes up, and then the prices when fall down from that particular level. So you should know how to identify that turning point of the script or the market. Thank you all once again. Keep on watching, share, subscribe, like, and press the bell button so that you will get the notification of the new videos soon. Thank you all.